Hello, welcome back to Bill's Learning Corner. 好，今天我们要来讲C 本的阅读小书。好，那这一篇呢，我们会说到最主要是主词 are great for something。OK， 那这边我们会集中在于动名词的部分，动词加 ing， 那后面做什么事情变成一个名词的形态。所以我们就以这一篇来说明 Eight arms are great. 这边有 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 8 arms 有8个手背 are great. 好，很好，来我们来看看 Eight arms are great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8为什么是 great 呢 ？Eight arms are great for 干嘛呢 ？Reading books， 因为它一次可以念好几本书。Read 念书，好加 ing 呢，就是表示念书的这件事情。Reading books。Eight arms are great for juggling balls。Juggling balls， 所以 juggle ing balls juggling balls. 8 arms are great for eating eating fruit. 8 arms are great for drawing pictures. 好，一次可以画好几个 drawing pictures. 8 arms are great for wearing watches. 好，所以一次可以戴8个 wearing watches. 8 arms are great for waving goodbye. 所以一次呢，8只手共同说 goodbye. OK, 8 arms are great for waving goodbye. 好，那我们就再回去一次，我们把整个一次性的念完整好了。Waving goodbye, wearing watches, drawing pictures, eating fruit, juggling balls, reading books. 好，那我们就从头开始看。8 arms are great. 8 arms are great. 8 arms are great for reading books. 8 arms are great for juggling balls. 8 arms are great for eating fruit. 8 arms are great for drawing pictures. 8 arms are great for wearing watches. 8 arms are great for waving goodbye. Okay, so that is it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.